Okay, so today is an exciting day because I am going to try out the tiny face challenge. You probably don't know what it is, but you're about to find out because I'm about to do it. Jaime French did this and I saw this and I was like, oh my god, this hits different. I saw this and I thought to myself, oh my god, I have to try it. And days went by, weeks went by.
One eternity later.
So off camera, I did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow. I also applied a little bit of foundation and now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm not gonna bring the concealer down because I want the face to be as lifted as possible. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna draw in my tiny nose. I'm gonna take some dark brown concealer. This is super dark, so I hope I don't fuck. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. So I'm gonna connect my tiny nose to my eyebrow. So notice how I'm like, why am I making this a tutorial? You guys are not going to do this. Ew. Okay, so I took a brown eyebrow pencil and I'm gonna draw the bulb of my nose with that. It looks like a nose! I'm going to go in with the tiniest bit of black eyeliner. Okay, I think my tiny nose looks realistic enough. Right? Like, I do look like I have a tiny nose. And now it's the lips. I'm so excited. I'm going to go in with my brown dark concealer because I'm too scared to use black eyeliner because it's like just, I feel like it's too bold.
Bitch disgusting.
Now I'm gonna use my red lipstick to paint in my lips. Putting lipstick on my nose is the weirdest shit I've ever done. Oh! Now I'm gonna be contouring the sides of my face. I'm sort of cutting my cheeks because like normally I would contour a little lower than this. Since I'm going to be covering the lower half of my face, my contour is going to be much higher. And a little bit of blush. Highlighter is going to be placed kind of high too. And a little bit of highlighter on the tiny nose as well, because why not? Oh no, that's bad. That was a bad idea. And now it's time. And now it's time for the grand reveal. Hello? It's me. Oh! Like, what are you even talking about? So if you guys didn't know, I just freaked myself out. Vogue, come get me. That's because I'm a star, baby. Oh, Vogue, can't get me. I don't know. I'm just not that kind of girl anymore. What kind of a girl was she? If you're not a vegan, I can't be friends with you. Who is she? Ah! And that's how Ross fell in love with Rachel. Hold on girl, let me touch up my lipstick. What? If you like this video, what are you waiting for? Like it, drop a thumbs up. What are you waiting for? Also subscribe, cause look at me, I'm gorgeous.
I get it. Yeah, you know I'm about it. If it kill me, I'ma let it. Run into the bag like I'm so athletic. I've been up since